Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install apps on your iPhone 11 or 11 Pro Max. In both the phones, the download and installation process is same. So let's start. Now open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and search for iTunes and App Store. And make sure that your Apple ID is logged in. Now go back, scroll up and tap on Touch ID and passcode. Now enter your passcode, and if you haven't configured it yet, then configure it right now. Now make sure that your iTunes and App Store is enabled here. You can also configure your Face ID or Touch ID. Now open the App Store to download an app. Now search for any app or games you like. I'll just search for McDonald's. Here you can see many versions of the McDonald's app. So let's download one randomly right now. Now select the one you want to download. And tap on Get. Now it will ask you to enter your Touch ID. And the app will start downloading automatically. And that's how you can download and install an app on your iPhone 11, 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.